Hello America, my name is Tracey Rhodes. I'm an Army veteran, and Americans assume that prosecutors are acting in a fair and honest manner. However, Americans are experiencing the unjust use of governmental power to wrongfully convicted citizens, demonstrating a need for conviction integrity units. The administration of justice suffers when any accused is treated unfairly. Thousands or tens of thousands of innocent Americans are branded as criminals and sent to prison for an offense that they did not commit, says ProsecutorIntegrity.org in an article titled An Epidemic of Prosecutor Misconduct. ProsecutorIntegrity.org statistics reference 2012 cases in the United States from 1970 to 2003 in which prosecutor misconduct affected the fairness of pending criminal proceedings or infringed upon the constitutional rights of defendants. On November the 8th, 2013, Ken Anderson, a former Williamson County District Attorney in Texas, failed to turn over exculpatory evidence, entered a plea to criminal contempt for deliberately withholding exculpatory evidence, pointing to Michael Morton's innocence. The North Carolina State Bar decided to disbar District Attorney Michael Nifong for dishonesty, fraud, and deceit and misrepresentation of the Duke University lacrosse case in 2007. No one will know the extent of the prosecutor misconduct in Indiana without investigating my complaint of professional misconduct. I am taking the blue pledge to awaken the public of an unjust use of governmental power in Indiana to blaze a new trail in the criminal justice system. The state of Indiana has judicially raped me, and I need your help, America. The state of Indiana by Howard County Prosecutor James R. Fleming filed and reported fabricated, false, fraudulent criminal charges to Howard Superior Court 2 against me without probable cause in 2006. The state of Indiana used faulty eyewitnesses, perjured testimony, vouching, and illegal tactics to obtain an unlawful conviction. One clear example, on October the 19th, James R. Fleming, being duly sworn according to law upon oath, deposes and says that at or on about February the 8th, 2006, at or near 1907 West Sycamore Street in Howard County, state of Indiana, Tracey Rhodes did compel Linda Schlechter to submit to a touching by force or imminent threat of force, to wit, touch with the penis with intent to arouse or satisfy the sexual desires of the defendant, said act being facilitated by furnishing Linda Schlechter, without her knowledge, with a drug as defined in Indiana Code 16-42-19-2-1, to wit, various drugs, controlled substances, contrary to the form and the statutes in such cases made and provided and against the peace and the dignity of the state of Indiana. The alleged criminal complaint is not true, and any reasonable person would have known the affidavit and the charges to be fraudulent upon review of the medical records. Linda Schlecter's surgery was on February the 8th, 2006, which was 77 days after St. Joseph Hospital and Health Center fired me. The hospital fired me on November the 23rd, 2005, my 37th birthday. In addition, Lee Schwartzendruber, the registered nurse, signed the Phase 2 recovery room record, page 1, and the discharge instruction sheet. Susan Gregory signed the Phase 2 recovery room record, page 2. The medical records demonstrated exculpatory evidence material to the point in question, with names of material witnesses who factually provided care to Linda Schlechter on February the 8th, 2006 by clear and convincing evidence. The evidence clearly shows to any reasonable person that Tracey Rhodes is innocent of the crime charged. Exculpatory evidence which the Kokomo Police, the state of Indiana, by Howard County Prosecutor, and 2 criminal defense attorneys reasonably knew. They failed to investigate, they ignored it, and withheld the evidence from the court to cover up the professional misconduct. In addition, the Kokomo Police Department destroyed the evidence on March 10, 2009 to cover up the governmental misconduct. The Howard County Prosecutor, James R. Fleming, disregarded the constitutional rights of others. He abused his discretion and committed a gross miscarriage of justice with a dishonest or corrupt intent. He violated the 14th Amendment of the Constitution or laws of the United States, depriving me of due process and the equal protections of the law. Howard County Prosecutor James R. Fleming abused his discretion. He violated the Constitution or laws of the United States. He violated the Indiana rules for the court for admission to the bar and discipline of attorneys, Rule 22. In addition, he violated the Indiana Rules of Professional Conduct, Rule 3.8a, Rule 4.1, and Rule 8.4. Prosecutors do not have a license to commit lawless conduct. Lawless conduct is oppressive, it's unlawful, and it demands an investigation in the interest of justice. Lawless conduct demands disciplinary action and appropriate punishment to deter future misconduct in Howard County, Indiana. I received an associate's degree in nursing from West Ark College in May of 1998. In addition, I received an associate's of applied science degree from Ivy Tech Community College, Central Indiana in May 2014. I graduated with magna cum laude honors. Phi Theta Kappa International Honor Society and the National Society of Collegiate Scholars honored me by induction into their honor societies. I am also a member of the Indiana Paralegal Association. America, I need your help in financial support to pay attorneys King and Colbus, to pay for sex crimes experts, to pay for medical legal experts, and to investigate the malfeasant conduct which created this manifest injustice. Any help you provide will assist in initiating litigation, enforce disciplinary action, and obtain a remedy for the legal injuries. In addition, I am asking for your financial help to pay for the creation of a nonprofit organization titled Let There Be Light to investigate wrongful convictions in Indiana. The evidence in criminal conviction demonstrates a manifest injustice, showing a need for financial assistance to pay a national boarded certified sex crimes expert, medical legal experts, and attorneys King and Colbus. The unjust criminal conviction demonstrates a need for your financial assistance to pay for the National Board Certified Sex Crimes Expert to investigate the facts and identify the merits in reporting the malfeasant conduct to the Indiana Supreme Court Disciplinary Commission and to litigate the case in the courts. The evidence demonstrates a need for your financial assistance to pay for medical legal experts to review all the medical records in my case and to report their findings to attorneys King and Colbus, report their findings to the Disciplinary Commission, and report their findings to the courts. The evidence demonstrates a need for your financial assistance to pay attorneys King and Colbus who are experienced in investigating and litigating corruption cases. The attorneys need your financial support to investigate and pursue legal action to vacate or dismiss my case with prejudice due to a malicious prosecution. The cover-up reasonably demonstrates a need for an organization independent of the state to serve in protecting the constitutional rights of others. Your financial assistance will bring my vision of a nonprofit organization, Let There Be Light, to a reality. The organization will serve to help with the intake of complaints of wrongful convictions in Indiana and abroad. Your financial assistance will provide the organization with the funding for training and research to improve the standards of practice in Indiana and abroad. Your financial assistance will help the organization identify abuses of discretion, resolve manifest injustices, and redefine post-conviction relief remedies. It will ensure accountability and disciplinary action against those who deprive others' rights. It will assist to reform and improve policies and the standards of practice in Indiana and abroad. Practically, your financial help will assist paying expert investigators to investigate my case and other cases. Your financial help will assist paying attorneys King and Colbus to represent me and represent others. Your financial help will assist in providing funding for an organization committed to restoring liberty and justice for others and for me. I thank you, America, for listening. I need your financial support and your help to pay for these medical experts, sex crimes experts, and attorneys King and Colbus to investigate the malfeasant conduct which created this manifest injustice. I need your help to initiate litigation and enforce disciplinary action. In addition, I need your financial support and help to assist in creating a non-profit organization titled Let There Be Light to investigate and to resolve wrongful convictions in Indiana and to reform criminal justice policies in Indiana. Thank you for your time, your consideration, and your contributions and help. Your contributions will make a difference to reach higher and achieve more. Your contributions will provide a light to ensure a healthier future for Indiana and America. You can make a donation to King and Colbus at 120 East Market Street, Suite 410, Indianapolis, Indiana 46204. Thank you, America, for your consideration and for your help. I look forward to your responses.